Hello, today I will show you how to make loud popping noise with your fingers, okay? So I learned this one I think when I was like 10, so that was a long time ago. So it sounds something like this. So how to do? So you're gonna use these two fingers, and between these two fingers you're gonna position your middle finger here, okay? And then you will hold like this and do this. So if you do it too much, you're gonna have like a blister here, but after a while it will be better. So I suggest, don't, if it gets a little bit red, take a rest and do it in a few days or something like that. Okay, so like this, two fingers, put middle finger here, hold it, hold like this, and you would have to do it against your jaw or something like that. 1, 2, so it looks like this. So you can do it anywhere. Thanks.